Yay, we are live. Hey everyone, good evening. It's past 20 minutes to 20 minutes to 7. I know. It's 7:20, 20 past 7. So today is our day 75 of the 90-day challenge, and our topic is about the highlights of our 90-day challenge journey. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So the highlights would be number one is
Number one is consistency, demonstrating the power of daily consistent efforts in achieving my goals. Our goals. Reflection, consistency proved crucial in forming new habits and seeing progress. Small regular actions led to significant overall improvements.
Yes, that's true. Consistency. So one of the other highlights is positive mindset. So cultivating a positive mindset helped us stay motivated and resilient. Embracing positivity allowed us to overcome setbacks and maintain enthusiasm throughout the challenge. This attitude shifted our perspective, turning challenges into opportunities.
Number three, visualization. Highlight, using visualization techniques to stay focused and motivated. Reflection, regularly visualizing our goals and success played a critical role in keeping us aligned with our objectives. This practice reinforced our commitment and clarified our path.
Yes. So that's been a long while since we started this 90-day challenge because it's our 75th day, day 75.
March, guys.
Yes. And we're nearly there, 15 more days, and we are finishing our 90-day challenge, but we plan to continue our live session. We will try. Not every day, maybe 3 times a week. So number 4 is the value of small wins. So highlighting this is, which means celebrating small victories along the way. Acknowledging and celebrating small wins provided continuous motivation and a sense of achievement, making the larger goals feel more attainable. So that's why it's really important to recognize small wins.
Number 5, perseverance. Highlight, demonstrating perseverance through challenging times. Perseverance was key in pushing through difficult phases, reminding us that persistence is essential for long-term success.
Yes, it's very important. So no matter what the situation we're currently in, we always try to persevere. So, and the next one is work-life balance. Finding a sustainable work-life balance. And reflection is balancing work, personal goals, and relaxation help prevent burnout and ensured a holistic approach to the challenge. And this balance led to better productivity and overall well-being.
Number 7, self-growth. Highlight, notable personal development and self-awareness. The challenge fostered significant self-growth, enhancing our discipline, self-confidence, and understanding of our strengths and areas for improvement.
Yes. Doing this challenge really pushed us into doing this challenge help us help us to develop, grow our personality and gaining some confidence throughout our journey. So number 8 is mentoring. We have new viewers. Well, thank you for those who are watching us right now. Thank you for your support and hope you're having a lovely Saturday. So number 8 is mentoring. So benefiting from and contributing to mentoring relationships, that is really important. Engaging with mentors provided valuable guidance and perspective. Additionally, offering support to others enriched my journey and reinforced my own learning.
Hello, another viewer.
Oh yes. Hi, Sis Jing.
Should I bring her?
Thanks for watching. Are you at work? Would you like to be in the camera?
Would you like to join?
To join us?
I'll bring you on.
Let's check this if we can do it.